Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EWORK, Cord Electric Lawnmower, 14-inch. There are features include: upgraded powerful motor. This electric lawnmower boasts superior performance, far exceeding ordinary electric lawnmowers. The upgraded 3,600 RPM copper motor delivers powerful torque, easily handling dense lawns. Unlike noisy gas engines, this quiet cord lawnmower ensures a peaceful lawn maintenance experience for you and your neighbors. 4 Height versatility for precise cuts. Customize your lawn's look with the 14-inch walk-behind mower, featuring a single lever adjustment with 4 depth settings, 1.3 to 2.6 inches. Whether you need a low trim or a higher cut for seasonal care, this lawnmower electric adapts instantly. The optimized deck design ensures even cutting, proving it to be one of the most versatile lawn mowers for residential use. Lightweight design for effortless mowing. Weighing just 17.6 pounds, this lightweight push mower eliminates the fatigue of heavy equipment. Equipped with 5.5-inch smooth rolling wheels, it is the ideal small lawn mower for seniors and female users, allowing for easy maneuvering around flower beds and tight corners. Efficient bagging and safety protection. This lawnmower electric comes with a 8-gallon grass bag for efficient collection, keeping your turf clean. Built with user safety in mind, the electric grass cutter features a double safety switch and overload protection to prevent motor damage. It's a reliable garden tool designed to handle the rigors of regular yard work without stalling. Quick folding and complete kit. Maximize your storage space with the foldable handle design, making this portable lawn mower easy to store in tight sheds. Assemble in minutes and start mowing with a premium electric lawn mower that is ready when you are. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.